Good morning, everybody. It's a wonderful day. It's a little cold, but I just thought I'd get on here and vlog with you all a little bit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk over to the road to get our trash can because they just came and got the trash. So, this past weekend, we went and done an early Thanksgiving with my family in Tennessee. We had a wonderful time. Got to spend time with my great nephews and nieces, which is always awesome. And had lots and lots of good food. If you can hear the dogs in the background, they're mad at me because I decided to walk over here first before I got their food. So I'll pick you guys up in just a minute because this trash can is a little loud. Okay, guys, so sorry if you can't hear me, but I don't have my microphone on because I am going to run up to the Dollar Tree to pick up a couple of things, and I will pick you up there when I get to the Dollar Tree. Okay, guys, we're going into our Dollar Tree, and it's probably going to be a mess because they don't really keep this one up like they should. So just hang with me. Guys, look at this. 9,000 parking spots in this place. And they pull up right beside me. Oh my God, what a day. Okay, guys, so what I did after I got back from the Dollar Tree, I came and picked up some of those hospices up. I'm going to transplant them down here. I usually try to do that in the winter, well, in the fall. And I've got to come up here and get my tool that I'm going to be using. This right here used to be my old ginseng digger. Yeah, when I was younger, about 20 years ago, we used to go ginsenging. Sorry if you can hear Apollo in the background. He's being a little booger. So let me see if I can get this out of here. I'm just going to put this right here. I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to lay this right back up on top. I don't know what Apollo's problem is today, but he's not being very nice. He's just being a little raggedy dang, being awful barky. So I'm going to walk you down here and show you where I'm going to transplant these hospices. You're not getting out. The kids are playing. I don't usually let him out when the neighbor's kids are playing. And he's mad at me. So he is a big dog and he likes to take off after the kids and play, but they're scared of him. So I just try to just let him hang out in the cage until they go in, and then I'll get him out. But down here's where I'm going to put him. Is up here on this bank side. Give it a little bit of color. Hopefully they'll take root. If not, oh well. So I'll pick you guys up when I finish getting them planted and show you where they're at. Okay, guys, so I got some of the hospices separated. Man, do them things root together. So I broke them up and I got them all spread out on top of the bank. Hopefully they'll take root and give us some color back here. And guys, I think that's going to be it for today because that wore me out. But who knows? Hang around. I may jump on with another one.